Hello everyone, I'm Wilson. We're using StreamFab to download your favorite movies and category analyzing stuff or pop-up error code. It's a total movie. As a long-time developer folder, I have to tell you the truth. It's an internal cat and mouse game between streaming platforms and download tools. When platforms update encryption, software must update. However, technical stats shows that about 60% of download failures are software bugs, but caused by network environments, account status, or cache conflicts. Today, I'll teach you how to correctly report issues, and more importantly, how to self-diagnose and fix them like an engineer. Before contacting support, please perform a browser comparison test. Copy the field link and paste it into Chrome or Edge to play it. If the browser also cannot play it, if it says region restricted or membership expired, it's an issue with a VPN node or account. This is an environment failure, not a software bug. Adjusting node should solve it. If the browser plays smoothly but StreamFab fails. Okay, this is the real bug we need to catch. Pay attention to the error codes. If you find a bug, don't just tell customer service, my software is broken. This lacks data and is processed very slowly. You need to provide a log, the medical record technicians need most. To find a log, 1. Open StreamFab and click My Account icon in the bottom left. 2. In the menu, click Open Log folder. 3. Window will open, find the TXT file named StreamFab. Key detail, check the freshness, open the file and scroll to the bottom. If the date is from today, it's valid log. If not, the crash wasn't recorded. The ultimate move, close the file, restart the software and repeat the operation to trigger the error again. The log generated after reproducing the problem is the fresh log developers want. After getting the log, where should we submit it? I suggest everyone follow a 3-step feedback hierarchy. Priority number 1, the preferred choice, the official contact page. This is the fastest channel because the system will automatically clarify the tickets and customer service can provide more effective feedback to the technicians. Please be sure to upload the log and error screenshots you just extract here. Priority number 2, the alternative. The official support email. If the official website form cannot be opened or uploading attachments keeps failing, please send an email to support@StreamFab.com. Similarly, remember to manually attach the log file. Priority number 3, the exchange. The official forum, StreamFab forum. If you want to see if this error is common among others or want to exchange solutions with community masters, you can go to forum. Select the category in the community and click Ask a Question. This is more suitable for confirming the universal problem of, is it only me whose software is broken? In order to help everyone solve it in one step, I have specially prepared a high response feedback template. By filling out according to this template, our team can see version, environment, and specific error location at a glance, and the processing priority will be instantly upgraded. With a detailed description plus valid log attachments, your problem is not far from being solved. All feedback steps are safe. StreamFab protects your privacy. Logs only contain technical parameters, never your passwords. Efficient feedback helps us make the software better. If you're facing download difficulties, click My Account, grab the log, and send a ticket now. If this troubleshooting guide was helpful, please give me a triple tap to support the channel. Any other codes you don't understand, leave a comment and I'll help you break it down. See you again next time.